Okay, so the first place to start in the sheet is the products tab. So we can have as many categories as we want, and then as many products within each category as we want. So if we add a category, let's say yogurts, and then vanilla, chocolate. Okay, they then become accessible within the purchases tab and the sales tab in these drop down boxes. So let's say on July 13th from XYZ we purchase yogurts, vanilla, 4 of at $1 each is $4, and we also purchase from XYZ yogurts, chocolate, 4 of at $1 is $4. And then sales, let's say that today we sell those yogurts. Let's say we sell the 4 yogurts at $2 each, and we sell the chocolate yogurts. We only sell 2 of them at $2 each. Okay. Now, on our dashboard, we've got a few different tiles. Shows different things. So overall performance, this is calculating total sales, total purchases, and total profit for the duration of the sheet, regardless of what dates. If we want to filter that by certain dates, we simply tick this and then put whatever date range we want in. So let's say we want to just look at today. So we've had $12 worth of sales, $8 worth of costs, and we've made $4. In this tile, we can look at a certain category. So we want to look at yogurts. It's just a warning to say that it shouldn't be edited. I need to remove that. So yogurts, let's see, $12 of sales, $8. If we want to look at a certain date range, so let's have a look at what we did in February. There weren't any sales, which is right because we only sold them today. And then performance of a product, we can select a certain product within a category. So let's go yogurts, and then let's say vanilla. So vanilla yogurts, we made $4 profit, whereas the chocolate yogurts, we didn't make any profit. And again, you can select a certain date range by just ticking that little box, if you like. And then on this graph section, this will analyze total sales for everything, total purchases for everything, and total profit for each calendar week. Now I've set this to start from the 4th of January, just because that's the first week where I've put my sample data. If I jump that forward to say the 12th of July, you'll see now there's my yogurt sales. Green bar sales, purchases, profit. Obviously, as you put more data in, this will continue. So at the moment, that is your starting cell, and the rest will automatically calculate in 1 week periods. Now, obviously, we can change that. We can do monthly. We can do quarterly. We can do whatever intervals we like. But that's the basic function of that. Alright, I hope you're happy with the sheet. Any questions? What the sheet does, how it works. If there's anything else you can think of that you wanted to do, just let me know. Thank you.